A former student of Rabbi Elchonon Wasserman, now a heretic, boldly challenged his old Rebbe to a public debate.
He came armed with questions, sharp philosophical doubts meant to undermine faith.
But what if it's all just stories?
He had wandered far.
Rebbe, I have questions that won't leave me.
Rabbi Elchonon looked at him and answered with piercing clarity.
If these questions burned in your heart before you began to sin, if this is truly why you strayed from the path, then yes, I will debate you, because you are genuinely searching for answers.
When a man lives the way he wishes and only afterward comes up with these questions, then he is not looking for answers. He is only looking for questions.
True questions of the soul are born only from an honest heart, seeking light and honest answers. When lustful desire leads first, the questions that follow may be shaped to justify the path already
chosen. A lesson from a Gadol. Guard your path, and your questions will guard themselves.
Please hit the like button if this video moved you and subscribe for more Torah insights. Comment, have you seen questions used this way? God bless.
Hirtziyo in the Mala.